Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your launchpad for premier stock analysis. I'm Mitchell, and today we're rocketing into RKLB USA, ticker RKLB, the agile innovator dominating small satellite launches and space systems. Ignition today, as of December 10th, RKLB shares blasted up 7.65% to close at $57.52, capping a stellar year to date surge of 129% amid record breaking momentum. The thrust? Confirmation of the Bridging the Swarm mission launching December 11th from New Zealand, deploying a South Korean Earth imaging satellite for CAST, Rocket Lab's 19th Electron flight this year, pushing toward a historic 2025 record of 20 launches with 100% success. Building on Q3 2025 earnings from November 10th, revenue soared 48% year over year to $155 million, a quarterly record beating estimates, with a $1.1 billion backlog and Q4 guidance of $170 to $180 million in revenue, plus gross margins climbing to 37 to 39%. Neutron's Q1 2026 debut looms as the next mega catalyst, but monitor execution risks in a competitive cosmos. Analyst overweight calls average $66 targets. RKLB, stellar accent or orbital overheat. Blast your views below, like for liftoff, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids. Orbit wisely. See you next. Guys, check the links in the video description below and make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.